Yo, welcome to Ace Combat 7. So, I have played this game. As you can see, all the levels are unlocked, and I have most of these at, I was going to say S tier. I'd say a little under half of all these levels are S tier. I do want to go back and play it again because I love this game, and you're going to see why here in just a minute. I am going to be playing just casual, so I just want to replay it, just because I feel like it. I may visit other difficulties later in the future, but definitely not today. Because I haven't played this in 6-7 months. Because when I played it, I played the entire thing and got burnt out.
Settle down.
So,
Settle down.
I kind of, yeah, I'm going to skip these stories too, because I don't really care. But I played it all at once, and I kind of beat the entire game in one sitting. And I was getting frustrated, and I'll tell you why. So, when you're locking on with different missiles, I wasn't sure that you were able to actually lock on to different things. So it kind of, because like if you hit Y, it locks on to whatever you want it to lock onto. I think it's Y. I can't remember. But I always thought, oh, it's just choosing randomly whatever. So I kept failing like a certain mission where you got to defend like something in the middle. You got to defend from like 4 different sides. That mission sucks. I hate that. I really don't want to get to that mission, but we're gonna get there. So I do have a bunch of aircraft here. Got the A-10, got the F2, got the F4 Phantom, got the Typhoon, got the F35, I got MiGs, I got a bunch of stuff. I got SUs, a bunch of good stuff. But this is what we're here for. We're here for this bad boy. I don't know how you zoom out. There we go. We're here for this thing, the Mac Daddy of air combat. Right here. The F22 Raptor. Hence the name F22 Waffles, and now you're about to see it in action. So, now granted, I'm not a real pilot, don't worry, this is just a simulation. So I am a trained non-professional professional. I think, because, okay, so there's different missiles you can choose here. So you can choose, because you have your regular set of missiles, you got your, like, just regular homing missiles, and then you got like either quick air missiles, or you can do anti vehicle missiles, or whatever, what have you. I think for the first couple of missions, I will have this set up. Now you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference? Because this is air to air and this is air to air. The difference being, this fires up to 8 missiles at once, and it splits off. It does less damage, but it can track more targets. And the homing's not great, but it's still pretty good. But this one, this is a powerful missile, and it's only one, but it locks on almost perfectly. You'll almost never miss. Because it's called a maneuver air-to-air missile, so it's able to maneuver with the fighter jet it's chasing. So definitely good. This is for ground forces. This is good for, I think, what mission? Mission 11, I think, where you're destroying like an entire fleet. You got your sinking ships, and there's bases you're sinking in the water, and you know. So it's all good. You also you're limited on these, so you can fire 18 regular quick maneuver missiles. You got 64 diameter bombs, which it fires all 4 at once. You can't select how many you want to choose. It'll depend on how many people are in your vision. And I think it goes by like what you can see. I don't think it necessarily goes by what's around you. It's just what you see, what you aim at. So you can kind of choose, but it locks on pretty quick. So you really gotta, like, if you want something specifically destroyed first, you really gotta aim for it. And you can't use these and use them on ground targets because it just physically won't let you do it. You can use regular homing missiles. You can use homing missiles for either air or ground. So it's good to do just kind of like a mixture of both. But I know these first couple of missions are just strictly air-to-air combat at first. But we will switch up after a little while. So, oh, here we go. So, okay, so you can do parts too. So parts, you can only have a certain amount, right? You can only have a certain amount of parts you can put on. Some things will make you faster. Some will make you more maneuverable, or some will give you more missiles. You're harder to lock onto. Your steering's better. Whatever you want, right? I tend to go kind of just having more missiles and having more speed. That's kind of my... I'm not quite sure how I have this set up. Because like I said, I haven't played this in I don't know how long, so I don't know what exactly I got set up here. So I got hardpoint expansion, increase the special bomb load limit, decrease the special missile reload time. So yeah, so I'm putting out damage pretty much. Yeah, standard missile lock-on speed, standard missile reload time. The regular missiles, that goes based off of difficulty. So if you play on a harder difficulty, you're actually limited to how many standard missiles you have, which are just the regular lock-on missiles that you have. But if you're on casual like I am, you have unlimited. So we will be having fun with that. Slightly enhances aircraft acceleration, top speed, overall maneuverability, and stability. So that's nice. And all these transfer to online too. Online is actually really hard. You know, because I've played matches where nobody gets a kill. It's just people dogfighting like crazy. Superior maneuverability. But it's nice. Yeah, so it's just body and arms, pretty much. Okay, alright, so we'll select the skin here. There's one specifically that I think it's this one, actually. It sure is. Yeah, this is the lovely one. So we'll take this one. We'll throw that on there, get an emblem going. I don't know if there's even an emblem that shows on this one, but we'll just throw on the US symbol. Yeah, I don't think it, because I think the livery just covers the entire thing, so that's fine. So, so we got the special weapon, that's good to go. Parts are good. Okay, all right, let's go. Let's do this. Now you're gonna see me struggle a little bit. The controls may be a little foreign to me at first, so kind of bear with me a little bit here. Like I said, I will be skipping these monologues because I don't particularly care to hear them again. Because last time I checked and remember, it's just talking.
Radar site still silent. Scramble. Get those birds in the sky. We're sitting ducks. What's happening? Bombers incoming. Don't know how many.
Let's clear that runway. We don't got all day here.
Mage Squadron, head to runway.
Mage 2, trigger.
Hurry, Mage Squadron. Trigger, your call sign is Mage 2. Verify and read back. Mage 2, clear for takeoff. The situation is tight. It's a hell of a welcoming party, but we have faith in you. Good luck.
Alright.
Control, do me a favor and get that bird in the air ASAP.
Mage 2, altitude restriction is lifted.
Alright. Yeah, so last time I checked, there's no, like... There's a way to barrel roll. I kind of forget how to barrel roll. I don't... I'm sure I'll figure it out.
Mage 2, form up with Mage 1. All aircraft, let's do this. Golem Squadron, it's go time.
Roger that.
Going for understood. This is the AWACS Sky.
Let's get them. So it is just up, down, up, down.
They don't have many escorts. They hit our radars hard in the last attack. Expect the worst. Stay sharp. Wilco.
Got him.
Trigger, I'm your wingman. Fly with me now. That's what it means to be in an element.
Okay, okay.
Bomber confirmed down.
So Y switches, or X switches your...
Trigger, switch your radar. See if you can locate the enemy.
one of the... There it is.
There it is, sitting there all pretty, just waiting to be taken.
Yeah, so Y switches your target. You can see different ones are blinking.
Harbor fuel storage is intact. It's asking for another round. All escorts form up for another attack. Point is 835.
So there, I just got multiple targets there.
Target confirmed down.
Remember, if you slow down, turn harder.
Mage 2.
I'm gonna switch missiles here. And go with regular missiles.
I know the kid's showing some promise, but let's remember, he's still barely gotten his feet.
There we go. So we'll aim at the first one here. See if we can lock onto all of them.
Trigger, don't forget your special weapon.
See if that gets them all. Sure did.
That's it. It's great when it's simple. Enemy bomber down. Nice going, Mage 2. Not too shabby, Mage 2. You still got a long way to go, kid. I'll give you some pointers back at base if we can make it in one piece. Skykeeper, this is Mage 1, over. Tally 2 bandits. Copy that. It's a bomber and an escort. Whoa there, Trigger. Settle down. Mage 2, maintain your element with Mage 1. Do not break off. Mage 1, make sure he doesn't do anything stupid. Welcome. Golem 2,
Oh.
maintain element.
Copy that, Commander. I've got your 6 covered, sir.
Radio.
Hey, thanks.
Escort
So
destroyed.
B fires missiles.
Target is exposed. Engage the bomber.
Got him.
Column, Mage, 2 new enemy groups.
This is HQ. Attention all combat groups. Are there any drones?
So beautiful.
Verify.
Drones? Are you kidding me right now? Jesus, this is the kind of shit that really chaps my ass. UAVs. I can't tell them apart. Mage 2, locked.
Harbor facilities and carriers destroyed. I'd call that mission accomplished. We still got half our baggage. Emptying them with hangars and runways.
Mage 2, missile away.
Going.
Firing.
Migs.
Where the hell are our fighters? The harbor's under heavy fire.
Mage 2
He's
bandit
down.
confirmed down.
They can burn with their whole payload. He's mine. Hesitating
Yeah, you
for a
can zag him,
split
that's
second
fine.
could be the difference between life and death. Stay sharp, think fast.
Roger that.
Enemy on your rear. Caution, hostile on the radar lock.
Got him. You should be dead. He is not. Up. You motherfucker.
Mage 2, locked.
Got him. Alright. Got some more over here. Try to get behind them.
Bandit has a lock on me.
See if that does the trick. 1, 2, 3.
One remaining.
Ew.
Mage 2, keep your focus. You got this. Column 1, behind you.
Got his ass.
To Golem and Mage, job well done. All bombers are down. Our radar shows no sign of bandits. You're in the clear.
Ew. I got more nicknames. Move on to the next one. This one I believe has ground targets. I'm almost certain it does, but we don't need the ground missiles. I don't think. Yep, don't care. Yeah, so there's ground targets now. So perfect. Let's get it. F22. We'll go ground. We'll go ground missiles. Let's do it. All right.
Current target is on rails, but there's still military vehicles and
Shall we?
anti-air weaponry. Destroy the target. But HQ has made it clear that no harm should come to civilians and no damage is to be done to public facilities.
Okay.
Any aircraft shot down could land in civilian territory.
No point arguing. That's how war is these days. Do you have visual on the anti-air radar vehicles? Target should be close. Way to go. Yep. Fox 2. Intercept! Fire the AA! Flee our vehicle out of there! Target is down.
Oh, wrong way. Wrong way.
War has officially begun.
My brain wants to believe that down is up and up is down, but it's just correct. It's how it should be.
Target destroyed. 5 to go. Get the fighters out there. Protect the radar vehicle. We're using the containers now. These weapons are meant for tactical flexibility. Requesting permission to launch vehicles. We can't wait any longer. We need interceptors now. Target destroyed. 3 to go. Continue to
Missile. Missile.
enemy interceptors inbound. Prepare to engage.
How did I miss all this shit?
Will come. Here they come. Take them down. Okay, recruits. Pay attention to who's on what side. The newest IFF is connected to our entire force via satellites. It's reliable, so trust your radars. 2 targets remaining. Radar was just about to go online. Push the plan forward too fast. The base was too far from Allied territory. Trigger, there's one more to go. That was the last radar vehicle. Great work.
Got him.
Radar vehicle's destroyed, but the interceptor shows no sign of retreating. Take it out. Continue with the mission. Crush as many as you can.
Enemy transports taxi.
Get in on your 6. Pull the enemy aircraft away from the base.
Oh man,
Fox 2.
love it.
No, they're not linked to the radar vehicle. Launch manually. Redo the setup. Missed. Here's some feedback from those before merchants. Like your manual. You can understand.
Hit him up.
The clouds don't just affect you.
Oh, were some of those? Oh, those are the big ones. The cargo planes.
Can sometimes lose their lock on to their targets too.
You did.
Rowan 1, enemy will crash in a residential area.
Got him.
Staying alive for now.
Oh, up. Got it. We're good. We're good. Oh, they're still trying to take off. That's right.
The enemy has a lock.
I ain't worried about it.
Targeting range of guns.
Woo! God damn.
5 targets remaining.
God damn.
Enemy transport destroyed. There's more. Page 2. Missile launch. Alright. This base is worth destroying. All transports
Oh.
have been destroyed.
Don't worry. I'll get the hang of it. Don't worry.
3 targets remaining. Page 2 locked. Column 3, Fox 2. Breaking out block. Launch preparations complete.
Oh no, did we lose? Oh no, this is scripted. That's right. Forgot about that.
What happened?
Forgot about that.
Status report. Multiple bogeys on radar. They're close. Wait, they're being launched. You're clear to engage. They're probably hostile.
Judging by the way they look and move, they gotta be drones. Well spotted, clown. No doubt.
They gotta be hostile. Well, yeah, no shit. We didn't launch them.
Just think of them as somewhat clever decoys. Take them all down. These drones have great agility. All aircraft. You know what high G turns are, right? Use them. HQ, this is Golem 1. Bandits confirmed as UAVs. Repeat, bandits are drones. Golem 1, that
Got
doesn't
one.
matter. Destroy all enemy fighters and get out. It doesn't matter. He's saying the war can change in an instant, you know. Yeah, I just wish they'd give us a bit more warning. Enemy
One.
UAV destroyed. Hell yeah. Golem Squadron, you're not gonna let Mage
Hold on to him.
Mage 2 is taking down.
Where's the next one?
How many's that now?
Just 2 more.
Hello there, beautiful. You fucker. He's staying in the clouds.
Clouds are screwing up the accuracy.
One to go. Let's get through this without any casualties.
Locked on target.
Either get behind him
Targeting gun range.
or let him get in front of me. Bastard.
Careful of ice formation in the clouds. Locked.
Oh, damn it.
Crap. The aircraft is icing up. I'm getting a warning.
Get out of the clouds. The ice will melt.
Where'd he go?
He's a runner.
Page 2. Missile launch.
Finally.
Nice
God
kill,
damn.
Trainer. Enemy aircraft confirmed down.
Holy shit.
The skies are clear. Nice work, everyone. Mission complete. RTB.
No casualties. We
RTB.
couldn't have done any better. Returning to base.
I think that'll do it. I think we'll do 2 missions per, because they're gonna get much longer. So I think we'll do 2 missions per episode. So yeah, be sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Go to w.com, use the code F22, get yourself 10% off any order you got. And I will see you guys in the next one.